Hello guys. In today's video, we have development software for game automations. I'm going to explain you about that. Mm, in our software, the offline games are fully automated and online games are not fully automated because in online games the cursor won't move. They have anti-cheat codes, so we can't do anything in online games like PUBG, Free Fire, and Fortnite like that. We can only simulate or automate the keyboard functions. Even though we have tried making the mouse function to keyboard and also inside the game, only in lobby till lobby the mouse will work. After going inside the game, in online games, the mouse won't work. So you need to use your own keyboard mouse. Only keyboard functions you can automate. But in games like GTA, Vice City, and all, that offline games, even though your favorite offline games you can automate fully, even though mouse you can automate. So for that, first you need to click on Windows button. You need to change your mouse function to your keyboard. So how to do that means you need to go and click settings here. Click Windows button and go to settings. Then here, if you are using Windows 11, then I'm doing like for Windows 11. So if it is a Windows 10, you just need to click on settings, and there will be a name called ease access, like ease access. So like this, the ease cursor movement between. So like that, in Windows 10 there will be there. You after going to that, now the same thing what I'm doing in Windows 11. So in Windows 11 there is no ease access. Instead you need to navigate to accessibilities. Just click Windows, then settings and accessibilities. In accessibilities, go down. So once in Windows 10 you click ease access, the same window will open like mouse. So then go here, then turn on here. I already on. Then if you click Control key and click that num keypad, that's all. Now in my keyboard, I'm pressing number 8 in numlock keypad. So the cursor is moving. Number 6, number 4. So like that, inside mouse, I change my cursor movement in keyboard itself. So this is the first step. Next, we have made a code. We specify left hand and right hand using computer vision, OpenCV, CV zone. We use these many packages, and to automate, we use Pyauto GUI. If we show this finger, then click this button like that. We have developed. We have given the command like that. Next, I can show you the simulations. I can show you the demo how it works. So before going to everything, you need first to open your game, then set your keyboard configuration like that. So now I will open GTA Vice City. So here is the game.
I poked my head out of the gutter for 1 freaking second and fate shovels shit in my face.
Go get some sleep.
What are you gonna do?
I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
So here I'm using the camera view using my keyboard mousepad. So instead I can also use my keypad to
Dang.
move this.
Well, I am so very sorry.
Yes, 4 and 6 are the button to use cursor movement.
Wait here while I sing you a
So now I
song.
go to settings, options. Mouse settings. This was the controls. So now I need to change all the controls according to the PDF I have provided. We have already done that, so I'm clicking this. first back, again back. So now according to this you need to change everything. After doing this I will run this code. So it is like if I combine both post detection and hand detection together. Hmm. Now I will show whatever I have done with post detection. So if I cross this threshold value, it will say as moving left, and in game also it will move left. And if I go, if my shoulder point crosses that threshold value, then it will show us right. Then this hand, uh, there will be a point here, no? That point, if crosses this threshold value, then it is as reload. If think that I have a gun, and if I crosses that threshold value, then it mentioned as reload. Then in hand detection, so this will be work as a mouse. It will say left scroll, and this will say right scroll. Then with right hand, this is a stable. This will move backward the character. This will move forward. This will run, scope, shoot. Pickup means you can enter the car, exit the car, pick up gun, like that. Yes, that's all. So you can automate whatever you want, like this. So now I'm going to run this as a backend. Then I'm going inside the game. Let's keyboard settings மாத்தணுமா? கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், பிரச்சனை இல்லை. கீபோர்ட் செட்டிங்ஸ் மாத்தணுமான்னு பாரு. இல்ல கேம்ல கீபோர்ட் செட்டிங்ஸ் மாத்தணுமான்னு பாரு. நடுவில் கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஆளு என்ன வந்துட்ட காலேஜ்ல இருந்து? காலேஜே போலையா? ஏன்டா பேண்டி கேம் பாட்டு ரன் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So guys, now I will show you the demo. While I am showing 5, he was moving like that.
The data!
For backward this, and for fighting this. For camera rotation. For running.
Heal me.
if I need to enter a car,
Don't make me get my beep.
so now I will write a car. So now I'm going to show you the demo of how the keyboard is working when I am showing the fingers. It will type what letter for my hand gesture I have given. So now I will run the code and I will show you. So if I show forward 5, it will say W. It is constant. Again 5 W. So it is back. When I show my thumb finger, it will say as back W. So it is pick up, scope, shoot. Now reload. For reload, it will say as R. Then for side movement, A. So for computer vision technique, you need proper lightning. So it always depends on lightning too. For shooting, it is say as P. So for run, you will say as J. Lightning always matters in computer vision. This is how it works.